Welcome to another video, and today we're going to be trying to start the El Camino. That don't mind the charger, the El Caminos over here. We're going to be trying to start it because we picked it up. It's been sitting for I don't know how long. It looks decades, but maybe 2 be pushing it. I know my buddy had it for 3 years and he never touched it, and the people, it seems like, never touched it either. If you've not seen the video, it's in the description below. Check it out, and you can. It's a full lot. It shows you the whole car. I don't know if you want to see the whole car, but ooh, muddy. It's been raining here in Kentucky, and I don't have gravels behind here. That's the Camino. We chopped the top on that. Videos on that car. So we're gonna go ahead, open this up. Got me a set of electric fans. I may put on this. It's from the ML 320 that we parted out, because we got a 430 ML 430 here. Pop that hood. Seems popped. And I thought the fans was bad because they wasn't kicking on, so I went down there and took the fans off the other ML, and it wasn't the fan that was bad. Go figure. It was the relay. Yeah. Open. Ooh. Still latched. Walk over all this junk that's in my way. I have no need for any more. I give them 4 lug limbs to them Maverick that's on the channel. Ooh. Putting a 5 lug in under it. Don't need 4 lug limbs. I mean, you could use them, but why would you want to? Magic. Open. Okay, we put some pressure on this. We're using the caveman skills, and with that being some pressure, I go pull the lever, it should pop up. Open. It's gonna be one of these kind of cars. We got some help while they worked the lever on the inside. I basically punched this up and down. So that's the big fiberglass hood with no shocks. Go figure. Let's put us a thing here so we don't get killed. If it works, is it stupid? I don't think so. That's a big, supposedly 355, maybe 350, 400. It's not a 305 because the skinny harmonic bouncer. It's down now. 305's got a big fat one on them. Put a battery in it, and it's got a filter on it, so we don't have to worry about stuff going into the gas. Since this ain't never been started in forever, let's see if it's froze. Don't seem to be. Do a look over a check. I'm gonna try to turn this over by hand. Okay, I'm gonna grab the fan. Let's see. Oh, it turns. It turned a little. Okay, that's good. It turns. So it felt good when turning over. Had a little bit of catch to begin with, but it's been setting. How's the oil? Not milky. Oh, and the oil is clean. So this thing has fresh oil in it. Pretty fresh. So it has been messed with. Haha. So it ain't been setting for a decade. Well, it might be setting for a decade, but this engine is definitely been messed with. I got a battery. Since we don't know that, let's get this good. Ever start. Oh, come right out of my F-150. Let's see. This goes to the starter. Says positive on it. Oh, okay. Just spin these around. No problem at all. Okay. If you ain't got a hammer, you kind of just use what the environment gives you. Let's tap this on. Connected. I got a pair of vice grips. And now, of course, these have been set and you want to do a fire test on them. Everybody knows that. And just because you don't want your new hot rod to burn down and mice and stuff gets in these and they chew them up. But I'm gonna be honest, this battery could be just dead too. This ain't the best battery I got. So we know it's got oil. We know it turns over, so I'm just gonna crank it. It might be out of time for all I know. I might have to give it a little bit of fuel. Well, I'm gonna have to give it a little bit of fuel, ain't no doubt about that. Yeah, just hit it for a second. Don't wanna crank her guts out. You ain't gonna crank? We didn't have no keys. Old cars usually don't, but look like somebody solved that issue a long time ago. They got it where you just push in here. But the thing is, no, somebody was pretty smart, knows exactly what it is. Now I got another cylinder column in the Camino, and I guess we will be replacing that because it looks like it did a lot of damage. It broke his whole housing out. Good thing is, even though we have to change the steering column, that I have keys. They said they lost the keys a long time ago. Old car issues. Maybe it got a toggle switch in it. Camino's got a toggle switch. You turn the key on, it toggles. You hit a toggle switch and it just cranks. Not the. Ooh, this steering wheel. I like it. And then down here, just it's been cooked. Look like it's been on fire. Crank. Whoa. Whoa, whoa, we hit something. Crank. Crank. Oh, okay, starter's froze. Okay, so that's gonna be complicated. Try to fill this up. I forgot where to fill these at. It needs some drinkage. Now, you could use 2-stroke oil. Oh, it got a manual choke. It does. That's it. It's open. Go ahead. Crank her. Look like it pumps some fuel. That's good. Having trouble with it? I had to work the key switch. Oh, it runs. I see. Is it taking gas? A little tiny, maybe valve train noise. No, that's something rubbing. Some vibrating. Maybe fan's travel. Yep, over it off. It's chewing away at it. Okay. No smoke. Running witch, by the smell of it. I don't know if it's charging. Ain't got my voltmeter. It's gonna sit here and run. We're gonna let it run. It quit. It ain't gonna run. Wait before you start it again. It just run out of gas in the bowl, so it might be out of gas. Why not have a gas tank on it? What's in our old reservoir here? I better check this before we let it run any. Okay. That's nice. Ugh. Okay. It's got some in it. Some is better than none. Come on. Come on, gas. Come out. Don't sound like the throat's is sticky or anything. Just enough. Oh, that's way too much. Okay. We're good as long as it don't backfire. I gotta work the pump gas. Does it move? Okay. Hold it. Whoops. It ain't got no fuel. It's just gonna idle off the idle socket. Oh, can you quit, man? I guess it's a fan. There's something else. Whoa. Wait. It's something bad one. Also, it don't got a cam. It don't sound like it got a cam. I was smoking a little. I smell antifreeze. Okay. Looks. Why do I smell antifreeze? Is that the water pump rattling out here? It died. Went out of fuel. Yeah, is that the water pump? Okay, maybe it is. That's a lot of movement. Okay. It would be leaking one. Huh. How's this look? Milkshakey yet? Still clean. So it does one. But it's been sitting as long as it has. It sounds pretty smooth. Huh. Well, that's a win. I'm gonna just disconnect it. Turn my key off. Disconnected. I'm gonna leave these here for now. And that just broke. Look at that. Get on now. Where'd you come from? Eastwood? Summit? Don't know. It runs. It sounds pretty good. Do not think it's got a cam. That's just the engine just missing and stuff. Probably some dead plugs. Probably some other stuff dead. The idle air mixture is definitely going to be off. Timing, I would say, is off. Didn't even check the transmission. Water pump is why I'd run. Fuel pump is questionable. Let's see. Well, it's clean. Smells like good fluid. It's a little low, but somebody was actually going to, you know, fix this up. I don't think the fluids, well, I guess if you didn't run it and you did park it a decade ago, the fluids would still look clean in it. But it just seems like somebody's been messing around in here, you know, before. Has somebody tried to get it running and maybe they didn't? I don't know, but we will replace the steering column on this in a future video, do some maintenance to it, get it back up to where it'll be a nice little driver. I think a man can enjoy it. I like the Holly valve covers. It pays to have friends because my buddy wasn't going to do nothing with it. Like I said, he said he had it for 3 years, and he seen I had El Camino and wanted to know if I wanted another one, and I took it. It balked off. I'm surprised, actually. I thought this would be a battle, but the Camino was pretty simple to get going too. It wasn't much a matter with hit. These old cars, even though it's set, these motors, as long as moisture don't get super bad on them. I mean, even if moisture gets and you get one that's kind of stuck, it can come back. It can. I did it many other times, and while I'm thinking about it, we need to put a hammer back up. There we go. Hopefully you enjoyed. Hopefully you're going to enjoy this car in the future. We got plenty of projects here on the channel, so if you're new, get subscribed. If you got an El Camino and you found this video, what year is yours? What's your plans for it? Let me know in the comment section. I think you're going to get some more how-to videos on these cars, because I think I like this better than the rest of the way Camino. So Camino might be up a parts car.